Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again to find the backup option. Let's tap on it and we will be immediately transferred to this Google backup section. So let's tap on next and here tap on add account. If you've got your Google account previously added, you will be able to tap on it and add it as your backup account. If not, you have to do it right now. So let's tap on it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, perfect. Let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so mark the option and tap on next. And Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to check the information and then tap on I agree after the reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so either photos and videos or other device data, or both. Of course, you can mark both. I'll choose only this option and tap on confirm. Now let's tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup. Now we've got this information, which means that from now on your device will back up the data to your Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.